Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you have been here, please, I really appreciate your present. If you are still new, you are still wondering what is going on in this channel, you guys, we are helping each other with rituals. You can type any problem that you have so that the video can pop for you in this channel so that you can watch and have solution. So if you are still new, you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe and join this beautiful family. If you have been here watching out of the club, you didn't subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and be one of us. We need you, we really appreciate you. So today, you guys, we're going to fight with those who are fighting with you in your marriage or in your relationship. There are people who are married, there are people who are in serious relationship, but others are jealous of them, others are fighting their relationships. So today, this remedy here is what is going to help you to fight those who are fighting you, to fight those who are against your relationship or your marriage. Firstly, you are going to need the blue stone. This is the blue powder. You can only get this from the Mutu shop. You cannot find blue stone in any supermarket. Doesn't have to be this Sangoma brand. I'm not promoting it. You can also get it from any other brand. Methylated spirit, any brand. Also, I'm not promoting this one. You can buy any brand from any supermarket, is there. And then FG coffee, you can get it from any supermarket, it doesn't matter. Tracker coffee, you're also going to get it from any supermarket. This is the master of everything, Holyashes. You only get it from the Mutu shop. You cannot get it from anywhere. And I'm also not advising people to buy the Holyashes from the street. I advise you to go straight to the Mutu shop, get your Holyashes. This is the turmeric powder that I have. You can use any brand, it doesn't matter. This is the only one that I'm using right now, that I have in my house. What I'm going to do here, there's someone who's fighting, who wants to see your marriage or your relationship to come to an end. This is what you're going to do to fight back and to protect your marriage and your relationship. You're going to get a tablespoon of blue stone together with a tablespoon of methylated spirit, together with tablespoon of FG coffee, tablespoon of tracker coffee, also tablespoon of Holyashes, tablespoon of turmeric powder. What is needed here, we need you to have faith and believe that the ritual that you are going to perform is going to work for you. You must have faith, believe and trust, and you must also pray. Whatever ritual that you are using, you must believe. You must just feel and know that whatever you are looking for, you already have that when you are performing your rituals. Don't doubt, don't think twice, just perform a ritual with belief and hope. So what you're going to do with tablespoon of each here, you're going to only rinse yourself. You don't steam with this one this time. You only rinse yourself for 7 days, speaking everything about your marriage, speaking everything about your relationship. This is not going to be done during the day. This will be done at night after 9 p.m. You don't do this before 9 p.m. you guys. Only after 9 p.m. at night. p.m. is at night, obviously. Is whereby you're going to perform this ritual of rinsing yourself. You'll first wash your body with water and soap, and then when you're done, you take this mixture, add it with water, rinse yourself, speak about your marriage, speak about your relationship, what you are looking for, and chase out what you are not looking for in your marriage. Tell them to leave you alone and your partner. tell them to forget about you. When they are using their muti, they must forget about your marriage and your relationship. Inform them that that partner is yours. You guys are going to grow old together. When you are renting yourself, you guys, you must be very much serious when you are doing this. You must not doubt yourself. You must not hesitate. The power is in you. These rituals here are just helping you to go forward, but the main power is in you. That's why I say you must also normalize to pray for your marriage. You must also normalize to pray for your relationship. You must invite God in your marriage. You must invite God in your relationship, you guys. When you're doing this for that 7 days, you're not going to intimate with your partner. You're also not going to be clean from your period if you're a woman. That 7 days, your partner must just be strong, or you must be away from your partner so that you can perform this ritual, so that this ritual can work for you. If you start this ritual, then you start your period, then it means you're going to stop the performance. Then you wait for 7 days after you're done with your period, then you start from the scratch. Ladies, let me repeat myself. Let's say you are on your period. Let's say you start with the ritual, first day, second day. On the third day, you start seeing your period. What you're going to do, you're going to stop the ritual. You're not going to carry on. You're going to stop the ritual, and then you carry on with your period. After you are done with your period, you count for 7 days, then you start with the ritual. Everyone, you don't need to touch your partner when you're performing this ritual. And this one is not for under 18, you guys. I know kids under 18 are watching YouTube, but they are not allowed to perform these rituals. These rituals is for adults. You guys, you must help each other so that the children cannot perform this. This one for relationship and marriage is more especially if you are less than 18, even if you are less than 20. I don't think you are having a problem for serious relationship, you guys. Let's be serious. Let's be realistic. This is only for the adults to fix their marriages. This is only for the adults to fix their relationship, you guys. So make sure when you rinse yourself, you face the sunrise direction every time. When you are opening, when you are looking for good things, you are facing the sunrise direction. When you are reversing bad evils to the sender, is whereby you face the sunset direction. Guys, let me love and leave you here until my next upload. I really appreciate you in this channel. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. I know I can see you are watching and you're not subscribed. Please help me grow this channel by subscribing in this channel. Let me love and leave you here. Bye guys.